In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Davinci Resolve to its default settings, focusing on both system and user preferences. Whether you're experiencing issues or simply want a clean slate, resetting can be a useful step in ensuring smooth operation and optimal performance. To begin, open up Davinci Resolve from your applications on your computer. Davinci Resolve, as many of you may know, is a powerful tool for video editing and color correction, favored by both professionals and enthusiasts alike. Opening up the application will take you to the main interface where all of your projects are listed. Once you have Davinci Resolve open, the next step is to click on a project. It doesn't matter which project you choose, so feel free to click on any one that comes up in your list. Selecting a project is crucial because it allows us to access the part of the software we need to make the necessary adjustments. After you've selected a project, navigate to the edit page. You'll find the edit page by looking for the tab at the bottom of the interface. It's where much of the editing magic happens, allowing you to arrange and cut your footage, among other things. With the edit page open, your next step is to locate and click on Reset UI Layout. Now, navigating to Reset UI Layout is important, as this action restores the user interface to its default configuration. This step can solve issues arising from accidental modifications to the layout that may be causing confusion or hindrance to your workflow. When you hit reset, the panels and windows that make up the interface should snap back to their original positions, exactly the way they were designed to be used. Throughout this process, it's important to remember that resetting your UI layout won't change any of the editing you've already done, nor will it affect your existing projects. This is merely a way to reconfigure the workspace to its initial state. It's also worth noting that while resetting the UI layout clears up possible interface issues, it doesn't adjust deeper system preferences or settings related to your projects themselves. In conclusion, resetting Davinci Resolve's UI layout is a straightforward way to bring clarity and order back to your workspace. It helps resolve interface mishaps and allows you to focus on what matters most, your creative process. If your system preferences need resetting and this simple UI adjustment doesn't address the issues you face, you might need to explore further into the settings or seek more advanced solutions. However, for interface related concerns, this method is both simple and effective. Hopefully this guidance has helped you restore your workflow to a smooth state so you can get back to creating amazing content. Thanks for watching and happy editing.